Of your car on the underside of it. You can see the muffler here is it's pretty rusted. I can actually put my fingers under here. The muffler goes out to here, attaches to the B pipe, which you can see has a hole in it that's starting to form. Let's refocus there. Yep, and it's solidly rusted all the way through. Moving on up to where the oil leaks are. You have 5 oil leaks, which I'll show in the estimate. What's also leaking and is contributing to the oil on your cardboard strip is the power steering rack. I'll show you that. It's from that line over to that line, power steering rack. And you can see where it's leaking from here. And this actually is the end of a rubber boot that has slid all the way over here. So if this was intact, it would be all the way over here connecting to this. So that's exposing this joint to all the elements, all the dirt and the water and everything that it would normally be completely protected by this rubber boot right here. The other end of the boot, you can see, is caked in grease. Here, where's my hand? Here you have metal, here you have metal. This is rubber. The rest of it's grease that's leaked out of this. And I'll take you over to the other side. You're looking at the exact same thing. It's not quite as bad on this side, but if you look here, the boot on the right side is completely broken through as well. You can see the underside is very covered in oil, which explains your original concern. Way up there, oh, my light's falling, is what's in the very center of the screen right there. I'll show you it from another angle. Is right there. You can see the water spots. Now that's actually not coming out of the boot. The boot is intact, or is it? It's just cracking. It's not leaking yet. But the other side is. This is now the left side of what you were just looking at. And you can see it's very much cracked open. I can't reach it. That's about 7 or 8 feet up. But you can see that rubber piece is completely busted through. So I will address the oil leaks and the estimate and give you a call about all that. Just wanted to show it to you, and so you see what I see. Thanks.